Hello, this is Christina from Brown Leopard, and today I'm going to show you how to add these Valentine's Day photo overlays to your photograph. Open your photo in Photoshop and then choose Select Subject. This will automatically select the person in your photo. Press Command C, then Command V to copy the person onto a new layer. Then find the file with our overlays in your computer and drag and drop the selected overlay to your photo into Photoshop. Then press Enter. Then drag the layer with the overlay under the layer with a person's copy. Adjust the size and position of the overlay properly. Select the layer with the person, then create clipping mask, and you can use a soft black brush to clean up any rough edges around the person's selection. Add a new hue and saturation adjustment layer and create a clipping mask. Use the sliders to adjust the color of the overlay. You can focus on changing the overlay color or select reds to modify specific shades of red. Finally, merge all the layers into one and save your result as a JPEG. We are done. Thank you very much for watching and I look forward to seeing you again.